tired of spending hours, maybe even days, building websites from scratch? Or perhaps you're just starting out and dreaming of a way to create stunning, fully functional websites in mere minutes? A tool that could disrupt not just front-end design, but even back-end development as we know it. In today's video, we're diving into Lovable.dev, an AI-driven platform that's redefining how websites are built. Stick around as we uncover what this tool does, how it works, and why it could be both a blessing and a challenge for the world of web development. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Go to Lovable.dev and sign up. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Once you verify your email, you'll be asked a few optional questions. You can answer them if you like. But I'll skip them for now. After that, you'll be redirected to the main website. Here, you'll see an input box where you can type what you want to create. For example, I'll type, "Create a to-do app." The platform will then get to work and start building your app. Once it's done, you'll see the website it created for you. You can preview how it looks on both mobile and desktop, or even open it in a separate tab in your browser. The app allows you to add tasks, mark them as completed, or delete them. If you want to customize the app, there's an input box in the bottom left corner where you can describe what changes you'd like to see. For example, I'll ask it to add a dark theme. Once the changes are made, you'll see the updated version of your app. Additionally, there's a select button in the top right corner that allows you to pick any element on the website and describe the changes you want for that specific part. This makes editing super simple and flexible. When you're done, you can publish your app either publicly or privately. If you choose the private option, you'll need to subscribe to unlock it.